Hi, my name is Mohammed. Today I'm going to talk about trust. There are no one-size-fits-all trusts. The right trust is being chosen based on enormous factors. In this presentation, I will try to explain the different type of trust clearly. The first type of trust is family trust. It is a business structure whereby one person, which is trustee, hold assets for the benefit of a class of beneficiaries. In this case, you have a trust deed which will establish the trust, and then you have a separate company. So together they make a trust. There is a appointer, which is the person who has the power to appoint or remove the trustee. The sit law is the person who gives an amount of money to the trustee to establish the trust, and that person usually is the accountant or financial planner or lawyer. One of the advantages of this trust is asset protection. For example, if the business goes bust because there is a whole bunch of debits or low sales or unexpected tax, then liabilities of the business goes to the trustee. In another term, if the business goes bust, you're gonna put the company into liquidation while the beneficiary assets are saved. On the other hand, this trust doesn't get the research and development tax credit, which is considered to be one of the disadvantages for this trust. Testamentary trust. It is a trust set up in a will, which starts on a death. Most people will receive enormous value from including testamentary trust in their will. Testamentary trust is very similar to a family trust. They operate in almost an identical way. It is just a testamentary trust goes into the will. There are few advantages make testamentary trust very powerful. They protect inheritances from bankruptcy, divorces, and relationship breakdowns. They help protect immature beneficiaries or beneficiaries who cannot look after their money. So whether that's because they are just too young at the moment or there is a substance abuse issues, disability disability issues for whatever reasons. Income tax flexibility. The government basically gives everybody a tax break who uses a testamentary trust because they recognize that to have the trust come into existence, somebody had to die. Disability trust is a trust that's set up for ongoing succession and accommodation case for somebody with a severe disability or a medical condition. The reason behind establishing this trust is having this trust give you the ability to see that your child will be looked on after from now moving forward, and not to worry and wait until it happens, until maybe and not until maybe at the time when you are no longer there to see it happen. So setting up special disability trust enable you to be involved now and also to establish the lines moving forward for the other people. And peace of mind basically is the reason you would establish this. Spendthrift Trust is designed to protect some who has trouble with money. This could be from a traditional creditor standpoint. It could also be a form of a divorce concern about getting assessed standpoint. But basically, with a spendthrift trust, you have other than the beneficiary who's the trustee, which can't give money to the beneficiary. The trustee pay bills directly to the apartment complex or mortgage or whatever reason. So creditors cannot demand money from the trustee. This is a great type of trust if you have a concern about a child who has some kind of problem with money and you want to make sure the money is used wisely. Unit trust. Unit trust is a way for you to invest money. It allows a group of investors to combine their cash and invest it in a various assets and financial markets. It is made up of equal shares called units. When you invest in a fund, You are allocated units according to how much money you have invested, and the price of each of the units at the time of buying. The fund is run by investment managers who use their expertise to increase its value over time.